Hi there. If you've ever opened Blender and thought, what on earth is going on here? I can't learn this is too complicated, you're in the right place. I'm Eddie, I'm a professional 3D designer, and I've put together what's probably one of the most complete step-by-step Blender courses on YouTube. It's over 35 hours long with 70 plus lessons, all designed to take things slowly and clearly and without the confusion. I'm not going to rush you, I'm not going to skip steps, and I'm definitely not going to leave you pausing every 5 seconds thinking, wait, what did he just say? We'll keep things simple, really simple. So if other tutorials have felt too fast or overwhelming, please stick around. We're going to learn Blender together by creating this classic Land Rover and environment. In the first section, we will learn the basics of Blender, such as navigating the user interface, how to move and view an object, how to use subdivision surface modifiers, and finally, how to model a simple car. In the next section, we will import our reference images, which are included in the course, scale, and then position, ready for use. After that, we will start working on our rolling chassis, learning to model as we go, building our axles, our chassis, and our suspension. When we start modeling, I will take things nice and slow and only start speeding up after you've had time to understand the basics. In the next section, we will learn to create our body panels, learning more and more modifiers such as the chamfer and mirror modifier tools. After that, we will work on the interior, which is when I get a chance to show you Blender's sculpting tool as we make the soft surfaces. I will show you how to use some of the tools like the brilliant cloth brush and inflate tools. I will show you how to model realistic wheels and tyres using the array modifier and the boolean modifiers. Then I will take you into the super powerful software of Substance Painter. If you're a student, you can get it for free, or you can download for a month on Adobe's free trial, which should be plenty of time to finish the Substance Painter section of this course. In my opinion, there's no better way to quickly create super realistic textures. Then when we're all finished, we will head back into Blender and start making our environment, using procedural textures to create our mud and water, and particle physics to populate our scene with grass, rocks and trees. Finally, we will render our final image and create an amazing animation. So why not join me and make this classic Land Rover? When you finish this course, you will have all the skills you need to model like a pro. You will know how to create super realistic materials and have the basic knowledge of procedural textures and how to create your own natural looking environment. So then you will have all the skills you need to go forward and create your own amazing projects. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want to see more tutorials just like this, be sure to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you can get notified when new content drops. You can also check out my channel for more episodes of this series, or you can head over to my website to explore my full range of courses. Okay, thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.